Hi everyone, this is Aya. Welcome back to my channel. I have art supplies to share with you. I was inspired by my friend Stephanie Davis. I'm gonna link her channel in the description down below. She used to be a card maker, but now she is into watercoloring and drawing. I love her channel. I love her. I wish to meet her. Okay, so let me start first with this one. Let me take these out. See? Okay, so these were recommended by Sarah. She is a colorist and artist. She said that these are affordable. Oh, okay, sorry. These are an affordable color pencil. These are from Amazon. They are 120 color pencils. Look at these beautiful colors. So we have these. I'm going to swatch them. So we have here a word painting, then color pencil M8606. So I think this is the number of the color. Then maker. Did I say the name? Maker art. Mark art. Sorry, Mark art. It's called a premium color pencil. So I'm going to swatch them. And I'll fast forward the video because there are 120 colors. Purple, blues, and green. Oh, we have some metallic here, browns and grays. Also, I picked Caran watercolor pencil, and this one called Museum Aquarelle. And this is, I think that's the favorite by so many artists. They really said so cool. It's a bigger set, so I tried. This is 20. Yeah, this is 20. This is the smaller set because first I start with the smaller set. So if I like it, I will go to you know, for the bigger set. Yeah, so there's 20, 67, 40, 20. Yes, this one I picked as called Marine Assortment. There is a Marine Assortment, and this one is Landscape, I think. Yes, a Landscape. Also, there is 12. Oh, I didn't see that. There's a 12 also. Okay, so 67, 40, and maybe this is 100, maybe. Not sure. So I'm really excited to try these. Next, I picked up Caran. So this is the 40 set. Oh, looks beautiful. Wow. Are these a sticker? Oh, so this is the stuff that they sell maybe. So they have Caran. I'm not sure if you can see it or not. It's Caran watercolor brush. This is a marker, I think. Caran Aquarelle. These are the Pastel. Cold water soluble pastel. I'm sorry if you cannot see. Then we have Super Color Soft. This is a watercolor pencil. Are these watercolor pencil? No, they're not. Sorry. And this is the one that I bought is a Pablo Caran permanent color. So I have the permanent color, and I have, that's it. Aquarelle is here. Yeah, I have Aquarelle one, but it's not mentioned here. Anyway. They're so beautiful. So it has jade green, and the number, and this is the light fastness, if I'm not mistaken. It's 2, but again, to be honest, I don't care about light fastness. You know, I don't sell my art. Okay, dokie. Next is Prismacolor. Prismacolor. It's one of my favorites, to be honest, and it will be always my favorite. I used to have one, but my daughter, you know, took it from me. She said I need it, and now she gave it to me back after I ordered this, and she told me, Mom, I don't need them anymore. I don't use them. So I'm destashing them. Let me show to you guys. Here, all the 150 colors. And plus, I used to have a small set of Faber-Castell polychromos pencil. Also, I'm throwing them here. They are 20 or 24 maybe. And this one is like, I think 130. It's a free shipping because it's made from Amazon. 130, I think, plus taxes, 140. Yeah, so I think it's a good deal if you don't have any color pencil. Okay, so here they are. So we have the yellows and orange, the pinks, greens and blues, and here the gray and the metallic. Let's see the other side. We have purples and blues, also greens and browns. That's it. Last thing, this is a metallic watercolors by, I don't know how to pronounce her name, to be honest, but that's her card. They're heavy. So she wrapped it nicely. My son opened the package and I saved the package as much as I can before he opens everything. It's really packed nicely. Let me see. Checked by Regina and Enjoy, and here is the receipts of everything. Okay. Let me check so I can read you the names of the stuff I ordered. These are recommended, or not recommended. I saw Christina Werner using them and I really, really love them. Okay. Oh, nice packaging, really. Oh my. I see something, someone's floating. They're so tiny. Oh. What is, something is falling. What is that? I'm not sure if this is a free gift or what. Okay, so these are 4 small metallic watercolors. Okay, let's see. Apparel set. Okay, she has the name and she also included a swatch. Oh my gosh, they are so tiny. I don't have the prices here. Anyway, it's a magnetic. Let me see. Yeah. Okay, but anyway, let's try them. I think it's like $35. The 10, maybe one is 40. I don't remember exactly the prices, but they're so shimmery and love it. I have to swatch these. So this is the pearl set. Pearl. And my daughter is with me. Say hi.
Hello.
Okay, this one is a... Oh, it's her name. Okay, sorry. Let me check. I'm sorry, it's her name. Yeah, I think this is Arabian Night. So why this bigger than this one? Or it's the same? I'm not sure. It has the number, I think, OC0. Okay, it's even, it's a black and white, so I don't know which is which. Let's see this one. It's like candy. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look, cute. There is no swatch here, or there's a swatch? No swatch. Okay. No, there's a swatch, sorry. Again, it has no name. Okay, last one. It's like candy. I'm so glad that my son didn't open them. I think he will eat them. So cute. So here are all the colors. So I think these are gifts from her, which of course I appreciate it because it's handmade and it's expensive. Let me put them here. Okay, I'm so excited really to swatch these. Okay, everyone, here is the rest of my art supplies haul. They just came in the mail. I got Holbein Pastel Watercolors. I'm so excited, and I'll tell you why I bought these now in a second. They're so cute. So all these beautiful pastel colors, because because I wanted to try their pastel color pencils. It's Holbein pastel color pencil. Okay, so this is called Pastel set of 12 colors. My heart. They're so beautiful. I should have bought two. One to keep and one to use. If you're like me, please comment down below. I think they are the same colors. Or not. Let's see. So we have, let's say, 2 yellows. Yes. Like one. I don't have this color. It's not there. 2 shades of pink. Yes. 2 purple. Only 1 purple. So it's missing this color and that orange or peachy color. Okay, salmon pink. Okay, they have names. So salmon pink and wisteria. This color is not there. But we have like 4 shades of blue. Let me just double check. What's the name of this? This is lavender. Even it's something different. Okay, so we have like 4 shades of blue here. We have here only 2, and for the green, 3. Yeah, more or less they're just missing 2 colors, or the difference in just in 2 colors. I cannot wait to swatch them and try them, and if I like them, maybe we'll go with a bigger set. Let's continue the haul for the art supplies. I'm going to attach this video to the previous video. Okay, so when I tried these, when I swatched them, I really love them so much. And I saw a videos, review about them. Everyone loves them. Then they were comparing this to this brand. This is from Amazon called Brute Foner 50 Macaron colors. Look how similar they are. Okay, I will try to pick a color that's really similar. Maybe this one. Oh my gosh. Okay, maybe they are not the same color, but look to the design, this the gold print. It's here written Holbein artist color pencil, Brute Foner color pencil, then this gold ring, here written Japan, and there's Brute Foner. People love this so much. It's affordable to buy this set. I didn't try them, but my son went crazy when he saw a color pencil. He opened it and he saw it, but still I didn't swatch it. I'm going to swatch them, and I'm going to compare them to Holbein pastel color. However, I couldn't resist these beautiful colors. Then I ordered the bigger set. Ta-da! I'm really excited. Okay, so I got the Botanical Art watercolor by Holbein. Let me see. Look at this beautiful packaging. It reminds me of, I got to know about Holbein anyway from Stephanie Davis. I'm gonna link her channel below. She really inspires me, especially with art supplies. I love her and I love her channel. I'm gonna link her channel Bismillah, in the description box. Okay. Oh, you're so cute. This is 5 ml. There is 15, I think, the bigger size. Beautiful colors. This is the brochure. Here all the colors, and I think here how to paint or draw this beautiful cherry. Nice, but everything in Japanese. Is this in English? No, everything in Japanese. Okay, so I got this one. Then I got the gouache one. This is Holbein Artist Gouache 18 color set. Oh, I love. Oh, look at this color. magenta, so beautiful. And this one is violet. Candies, I'm going to swatch them and I'll share it with you guys. Okay, I'm now excited for the big boy here. Okay, let me just take this out. I don't remember the prices, but there is a set of 150 color pencil in a box. So I mean in this box, and there is a wooden box which is really expensive. But I don't need a wooden box. I don't know. Okay. Oh my! It's like a child, you know, opening a gift. Let me zoom in a little bit. Okay, so first we have a brochure's Holbein Artist Color Pencil. Okay, there is English translation. Yeah, this one. So this is the one I bought, the pastel color pencil. There's 24, 50, 50. This is the only one. I'm not sure what's the difference. Cardboard box. Again, I don't know what's the difference between these, but this, I know that this is the pastel color. Maybe this is just different random colors. Okay, so maybe the pink or this beige packaging means they are the pastel only. It's 100, and this is the one I got. This has everything, all the colors, and there's a one tray just dedicated for the pastel colors, and this is all the colors that you're going to find inside the box. And there's definitely the wooden box, but this was really expensive, like $500 or something. Okay, it comes also with a swatch to all the colors, the name, the number, and everything. It's what do you call it, rough paper. Then you remove this, I'm not sure what you call this. Oh la la, all these beautiful colors. Okay, and this is on a box also. Then another, this protector sheet. All the greens, browns, silvers. Oh, there's a metallic here. And finally, yes, all the beautiful pastel colors. So here's their 50. I think they are really the same. This is the one from Amazon, the Protoner or Macaron colors. Yeah, you see here is the beige, blues, maybe this is the greens, pinks, and oh my gosh, they are the same. Definitely you can go with this one. So I'm going to swatch them, but again, the artist I follow, Pamela or something, I'm gonna link her channel in the description box below. She really loves this and she recommended definitely that they, I don't want to say inspired by the design, but I don't know, but I can see that the wood here looks cheap wood, you know. I'm not sure, this is already broken. There is a kind of wood which when you scratch, I didn't know if this gonna make a sound when you scratch or your color gonna hurt my teeth. I'm going to give them to it to my daughter because there is kind of color pencil when you scratch it, it hurts my teeth. I'm not sure if I am the only one who have this problem or no. Let me see the wood. I mean, it looks smoother, but again, I tried these already, but we'll see with this one. I'm really excited because it's like $20 maybe for 50 colors. Come on, you cannot, you know, beat the price. Okay, so let me put them back. I'm going to swatch them and I'm going to share them with you guys.